Today we are working on the HP 2700 Latex. The belt tensioner pulley bearings are bad and needs to be replaced. Using a 17mm socket, remove the two bolts from the end of the tensioner, then remove the plate. Using a T10 driver, remove the 4 bolts holding the bracket. Remove the 2 O-rings, and then install the belt installation tool. When compressing the springs, be sure to compress them evenly, not just one side then the other. Now that the springs are compressed and the belt is loose, remove the belt from the print head carriage. Now you will be able to remove the tensioner pulley from the bracket. You can see here the ball bearings on both sides are completely missing. Loosen the tensioner bracket evenly. Once you get close to the end, be careful that the bracket and spring to not go flying off. There are 2 13mm nuts on the opposite side of the bracket that will need to be removed. Install the 2 new spring guide posts. Insert your new springs and tensioner bracket. Compress the springs with the belt installation tool. Again, compress these springs evenly a little bit at a time. Pull some of the belt slack and place the belt around the pulley. Tighten up the slack and place the tensioner pulley in the bracket. You can now reconnect the belt to the print head carriage. Release the springs by evenly loosening the belt installation tool. Install the new O-rings. Reinstall the dampener plate with the 4 T10 screws. You can now install the cover plate with the 2 17mm bolts. Be sure to clean up any debris or mess that was made from this issue. You do not want the ball bearings falling into the electronics and shorting something else out. This now completes the installation of the belt tensioner system. Please remember to clean up any mess that was made on the printer. Take pride in your work, and always leave it better than you found it. If you are having any issues with your HP Latex printers, or would like a training video made for something, please let me know in the comments section below and I will try to create a video for you. Remember to like this video, and subscribe to keep up on any maintenance related videos.